Hey everyone! In my role as the head of research at the leading commercial real estate brokerage company, I have access to an amazing array of economic and real estate information. And I've been doing this a long time. I joined the Millichap Research Services team 24 years ago. And in that time, I've never seen a market like the one we're in now. The spectrum of real estate investment opportunities has never been broader or more dynamic. Before I share what makes the current climate so interesting from an investment standpoint, I want to highlight our upcoming webcast. On April 27th, I'll be joined by the heads of our industrial, multifamily, office, and retail divisions in a live webcast where we'll drill down into emerging commercial real estate pricing trends, what's driving them, what the nuances are, where they're happening, and why. We'll share information from deals being written today and from the hundreds of top investors we're talking to every day. You can register on our website, millichap.com, and if you miss the live session, you should still register and watch the replay. So, as I was saying, the spectrum of opportunities right now is particularly compelling. There's a unique confluence of events that have shaken up traditional real estate investment models, and that has created a very dynamic set of options. What's driving the trend? Well, the pandemic, of course, but also our reaction to the pandemic. We had an economic lockdown. Behavior changed as people began working from home. Many relocated to new cities. More than $5 trillion of stimulus has been poured into our economy in 1 year. Interest rates are exceptionally low. Cash savings are literally off the charts. The very rapid delivery of vaccinations in the last few months is being followed by an economic renaissance. Retail sales have skyrocketed, and a variety of forward-looking indicators are hitting all-time highs. On top of all that, both the millennial generation and the baby boomers are in the midst of a period of life transition. 72 million millennials are in the midst of getting married, starting families, and buying houses, while about 71 million boomers are in the process of retiring and downsizing. That's a lot of moving parts. Within commercial real estate, the supply and demand metrics are equally dynamic, offering a wide spectrum of considerations. Here are a few. Self-storage occupancy rates have hit an all-time high. Hotel occupancy rates, which bottomed at about 25% last year in April, are back to the 50% range. Apartment vacancies ended the first quarter at 4.5%, up just 10 basis points from last year, despite the delivery of a record 340,000 new units last year. Industrial, arguably the most sought-after property type over the last year, has faced a modest rise in vacancy, largely driven by the record levels of big box warehouse space construction. Student housing, which had a tough year, will likely rebound as most colleges return to campus in the fall. Seniors housing also looks like a potential bounce back with the help of vaccinations. And finally, retail, which runs the gamut from well-performing single-tenant and necessity-based centers to outdated shopping malls ready for adaptive reuse. The spectrum of options has never been more compelling, especially for investors who keep their eyes on the horizon.